Today I'm going to teach you how to make the best cookie of your life. This cookie is inspired by the famous Levain Bakery in New York, but with a special twist of caramel and coconut that makes it absolutely irresistible. And the secret to that soft and airy texture? I'll reveal it in the middle of the recipe, so stay with me until the end. We're starting with cold butter cut into cubes. This is the key to achieving the perfect cookie texture. We're going to beat it with the sugars until it becomes a light and fluffy cream. This is what gives our cookies that thick, delicious texture we all love. Now add the brown sugar, which brings a rich caramel flavor and extra moisture. And the granulated sugar for a slight crunch. Beat well until creamy. Now it's time for 1 whole egg and an extra yolk. That extra yolk adds even more richness and makes the inside of our cookie super soft. Now let's sift the dry ingredients. The secret to a soft, thick texture is cornstarch. It helps reduce gluten formation, making the cookies lighter and fluffier. Gradually add the dry ingredients and mix with a spatula. Stir gently just until combined to keep the dough light. Now it's time to add the mix-ins. Add chopped chocolate and unsweetened shredded coconut. Now toss in some chopped pecans, which add an extra layer of texture and flavor to our New York-style cookies. These ingredients will melt into the dough, creating an incredibly gooey and irresistible cookie. To make sure our cookies stay thick and chunky, form large dough balls about the size of a golf ball. Don't flatten them. The taller they are, the softer and thicker the cookies will be. Make a small hole in the center. Add 2 to 3 pieces of caramel. And then close the dough ball again. Repeat for each cookie and place them on a baking sheet. Now here's a crucial tip. Chill the cookies for at least 30 minutes before baking. This prevents them from spreading too much in the oven and helps them keep their perfect shape. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Take the cookies out of the fridge and place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet, spacing them apart so they don't stick together as they bake. We'll bake them for about 9 to 12 minutes, until the edges are golden but the center still looks slightly underbaked. They'll finish setting outside the oven, keeping that gooey, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Just look at this cookie. Crispy on the outside with melted chocolate, caramel, and coconut inside, giving it an amazing texture. I already know these cookies will disappear in minutes. It's impossible to eat just one. Seriously, guys, the flavor is unbelievable. The caramel melts in the center, the coconut adds the perfect crunch, and the cornstarch really makes a difference in the texture. You have to try this. If you loved this recipe, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any delicious recipes like this one. And if you want to learn how to make the softest, most delicious caramel that melts inside these cookies, Click on the video appearing on your screen now. See you in the next video.